Welcome back, guys. We're going to talk about the huge gold mine in pre-foreclosures.
Huge gold mine? What gold mine?
Huge
Why pre-foreclosures? Are there any pre-foreclosures?
Well, there's a lot of pre-foreclosures. Look, there's always going to be distress, right? There's always going to be people be losing their jobs and just stuff happens,
there's
right?
Divorce, there's health, there's COVID still, there's baby boomers. So we know that this market isn't going anywhere.
No.
In fact, it's growing.
It's growing. It's expanding, guys. And right now, you guys are in a great position to capitalize on this stuff.
Yes, and we're going to show you how to dominate this market.
Ooh, I like that word, dominate.
Yes, you're going to be the go-to agent in your niche.
Yes, go-to. How would you guys, let's put it this way, gang. How would you guys like to be the leading agents in pre-foreclosures in your market? And then what happens there, guys, is that other agents that don't understand this kind of business, they come to you. At least 30% of our business comes from other agents.
Yes. So pre-foreclosures versus regular traditional listings. You're going to be the one dominating this market. There's this myth out there that pre-foreclosures are really complex, right? They're really difficult, but they're not. If you understand some of these fundamental concepts, you'll be able to really dominate this market.
Yes. Look, it's the old myth about you put in the work, you're going to make the money. You put in the work and put in the grind and get the stuff done. You're going to be above everybody else in this business, guys.
Yes, this is an area that a lot of other people, there's just little competition.
Yes.
There's less competition. There's a lot of people that are not dabbling into this area because they're afraid of it or intimidated by it.
Yes, and remember, here's one thing that is really important for me. When you get into a deal in pre-foreclosures, like we're going to teach you guys, the more difficult it is, the more profitable it will be.
Oh, yes, there's better pricing out here,
and
too.
the more knowledge you're going to grab, right? The more knowledge you're going to have.
Better deals that are available that you can offer to your clients or yourself, right, that you are able to invest in.
And when you're in an appointment, you're a superstar after this stuff. Let's go.
Yes, that's right. And it doesn't matter what market we're in and how the economy's doing or anything. We, as a matter of fact, we thrive in a downward market.
Ooh, so you know why she's saying that, guys, is because, look, when other agents are leaving the business, we are thriving in the business, right? Because a down market, we do well. A good market, we do well. We're going to teach you guys on how this stuff is so profitable.
Yes, and you're going to also be an advocate for these property owners, okay? At the end of the day, you want to make sure that you are looking at all options and you're evaluating everything properly, but you're going to be able to have success stories and great testimonials.
Love it. I love this business, guys. Let's go. Stay tuned.